I'm just going to go ahead and get straight to the point with no hesitation because that's what everybody knows me for. I'm not going to sit up here and act like I ain't been inactive for like over 2 weeks. I have been. I have been slacking. I mean, I post on my IG every now and again. You know what I'm saying? Check up on y'all boys. Hey, quick question. Nigga, did you exercise today? Don't even dare try and ask me if I exercise. I just came from the gym. I look like I just came from the gym. But the thing that I gotta address, right? I gotta address some shit, right? Because a whole lot of people need some type of motivation to go to the gym, right? And this is why I made all those YouTube videos. This is why I am so fit. This is why I'm so consistent with everything I'm doing. Is this one secret. And it's one question I keep asking myself. There's one question I ask myself. Why the fuck do you need motivation so much? There is not a single bone in your body that forces you to get up every single time and go to the gym and exercise. Like, there's not a single bone in your body. There's no underlying reason why you want to keep doing it. You need somebody to motivate you every single time. You know, matter of fact, let's do this. Take that shit out. All that shit. All the motivation shit out. Take it all out. Take the whole damn thing out. Throw it all in the trash, all right? No motivation, all right? If you have no motivation, right? Let's say no motivation, right? You don't feel motivated, you don't go to the gym. Okay, cool. You just don't go. Cool. But let me ask you this. When you don't go to the gym, are you okay with how you look? Sorry for moving my camera too much. But if you don't go to the gym, are you okay with how you look? When you look in the mirror and you take your shirt off, are you satisfied with the way you look? I go to a beach right now. No shirt, nothing. I'll be fine. Question is, will you be fine? Your arteries are about to clog right now. You wheeze when you breathe. There's thick-ass layers of fat over your heart. The bitch can't pump. You struggle to get out of bed. You can't see your meat on soft when you're taking a piss. But you need motivation to go exercise? What? I'm gonna let buddy go in front. You got it, bro. Go. Look, you're rattling ass truck. The dude wanted to get in front of me so bad. Now he's up ahead of me and he's going slow. The thing that I don't understand with y'all, bro, is y'all keep having these shitty ass circumstances. Excuse me for my language. But y'all keep having these terrible circumstances that can easily be fixed and are in your control. But for some reason, you need motivation every single time to do it. Bro, there should be no excuse why you're obese. There should be no excuse why you have a giant. There is no excuse. There's none. Let me tell you something right now. If you have man titties in a gut, but you go to the gym 3 times a week at least, you're not fat. You're not fat in my opinion. In my honest opinion, you're not fat. You're trying to look like that. So automatically you're not fat to me. But you want to know what I saw today? And you want to know what I see damn near every single time I go to the gym? I see a somewhat older Caucasian male, kind of balding and stuff. This man is in a wheelchair. Yes, a wheelchair with a cane. And he does pull-ups. He hits 10 pull-ups straight. And he can't walk. I don't want to hear excuses no more. Like, it's like, goddamn, it's starting to rain now. Every time I'm about to spaz out or something, every time I get a haircut or I'm about to spaz on the video, it starts raining. I'm making this video anyways. I don't care. Literally, I don't understand. Okay, I kind of need to turn on my windshield wipers. But literally, I don't understand. This guy has no legs. He has legs, but they don't work. I see him with his cane. He gets up, stands up, and he hits 10 pull-ups straight. How the hell is it that y'all live in the suburbs? Your mama pay for everything, your dad pay for everything, your college is paid for by your parents with, I got a PhD. Shout out Kevin Samuels. Your mom walking around, your daddy walking around talking about something, I got a PhD. But your ass can't hit 2 pull-ups. 2. This guy is in a wheelchair with a cane and does a full workout more often than y'all do. You know, that's the reason why I started asking y'all on my IG every single time, do y'all exercise? Have you exercised today? Because I saw that. I remember one time I was tired. I looked at that guy, bro. This man is in a wheelchair with a cane to the gym and hits pull-ups. He has developed so much upper body strength because of a deficit in his life. Some of y'all got no damn deficit in your life and you still weak as shit. I don't get it. It's like y'all have so many unfortunate circumstances that you have full control over. Now, if you didn't have control over it, I say, all right, you get a pass from Mr. Frank, all right? But, dude, you have control over a lot of stuff you do. I was just talking with my boy Jesse today. He was like, bro, as human beings, bro, you are so much powerful than you actually realize it. But a lot of y'all just sit around and just do nothing all damn day. I kid you not. Literally, bro, this nigga's getting honked at. This nigga's just not even there. He's creeping into my... What the fuck is this nigga do, bro? What the hey, what's wrong with this guy, bro? Hey, this guy is not there. Oh my God, this guy is not there at all. Oh my God, this guy is not there at all. Bro, I kid you not. I lost my train of thought. This dude almost hit like 3 cars. I don't know. This guy is off a perk or some shit. Dude, this guy's just blinker on in the wrong lane. This guy is not there at all. Dude, I kid you not, bro. Literally. I am not. Let me get in front of this guy. He got window tints and everything. Let me get in front of this guy. But the thing that I think y'all need to understand is, bro, I don't understand why somebody needs to motivate you every single day. That guy's in a wheelchair. Either you have sufficient upper body strength or you will struggle the rest of your life. Look at Joe Swanson on Family Guy. I said that. I completely butchered the saying of that, but wow. Look at Joe Swanson off of Family Guy. Do you see how swole his upper body is? You want to know why it's that swole? Because look at his legs. He can't walk. If he had no upper body strength, what would he be? What would he be? With no upper body strength, explain to me what he would be. I just feel like some of y'all got to get shot, or some of y'all just got to like halfway die or some shit. Because I don't know what's wrong with half of y'all, bro. I don't get it. I literally don't get it. I don't get what's the deal with some of y'all. Like, I really don't. I literally don't get what's the deal with some of y'all, bro. I really don't. It's like y'all have every circumstance in order to be great, but instead you sit back and you keep complaining. Like, okay, no motivation. Are you okay with how you look? No motivation. Are you okay with being in the shape that you are? Are you okay with being skinny as shit? I don't need to motivate you. You need to look at yourself and ask yourself, nigga, are you satisfied? If you're not satisfied, then get your ass a job, get that job, get some hours in, take that money, take your ass to a LA Fitness or a damn Planet Fitness, I don't care where you go, and go get a damn membership. Bro, Fitness Connection memberships are like, what, $10 a month? You don't got no $10 a month. I don't know what to tell you. I really don't know what to tell you. If you can't put goddamn $10 a month, go early as hell in the morning so that it ain't hella crowded. If you can't do that, I don't know what to tell you, bro. I'm just being honest. I don't know. I really don't know what to tell you. All you need, literally, is $10. Maybe $30 my windshield wipers are still on. I kid you not. That's all you need, bro. That is all you need. No bullshit. But for some reason, y'all just keep slacking. I got nothing else to say. It's DatBoiFrank, and I'm out. Peace.